So check this out. I could show up at a show with this round robin 12-inch logo engraved display piece that packs flat, has no weight to it. Man, that is slick. What's going on, everybody? Gunnar here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for the FlyHub XL-12. Let's check it out. So what we have right here is the FlyHub XL by PM Wood Studios, Mr. Preston McQueen. This first one he sent to me to check out and give him some feedback on, and I absolutely love this thing for storing and displaying flies. I think if you're somebody who travels, if you're somebody who's on the show circuit or whatever, you have local shows, you know, it's really important to me to be able to display stuff and to have flies out. And I really care how my table kind of looks because I want to draw you in from far away. And people always touch the flies, which I want. I want you to touch the flies and pick them up and check them out. But then everything gets put back willy-nilly and I don't like the way it looks. And I spend a lot of time reorganizing stuff. And I think this is such a cool way for people to be able to take a fly off, look at it, check it out, and put it right back where it goes. And they pack flat. And this is going to be the 12-inch version. That was the first thing I had that I told Preston. I was like, I need it bigger, right? Because this thing would be dragging on the ground. I wanted it really, really tall. So that was the first thing I did, was ask and request that he make a taller size. So he's got a really cool things going on. Again, if you travel, they pack flat. You can have them on display. If you have a man cave, it's a really cool way to kind of show off some flies and have these out. On top of that, if you're a commercial tyer and you do stages, I think it's a little pricey for the commercial tying aspect. There's a lot of just kind of foam rows and foam holders that you can do for staging, but it's also applicable for that, and it's really useful if you use it for multiple purposes. So, because people, when they do unboxing videos, like to flex their knives, we have an SE 4-inch epic knife here. We'll cut into here, because this thing is wicked sharp, scary sharp. Thank you, Kydex, keeping me safe. Let's see what we got. So that's everything in the packaging. You can see it packs really, really flat. And check this out. So we have a few things going on. We got the 12-inch height, and I'll show you how to put that together real quick. And then we have, looks like 2 bases. Oh, he gave me a second base. This one is one I paid for because I liked the first one so much. But he did throw in a second base here, and that sucker spins. It spins. It's a kitchen term. I forget the name of the kitchen term, but you put it on the middle of your table so it can spin around and everybody can access the food, like the butter, the salt. That just slides in. Oh, how sick is that? Now you have a bigger base, more support, less likely to tip over, and it rotates for display. That's cool. He sent me 2 of those. One for the 8 and one for this here 12. There's your base here, and you can see how flat this is, right? If you were to pack this up in a suitcase or something for traveling, for shows, that's nothing. Takes up no room whatsoever. Crazy lightweight. This thing's all the way sealed in there. It's kind of nice. Good excuse to open my knife again. That's insane. Good knife. So check this out. One leg there, second leg, and we have a new topper. If you check out the old topper has the X-wing on the top. The new topper has the X on the bottom. So you got a sweet logo display, kind of a subtle little flex for all you show guys, or if you really want to get something cool on there for your tying office. But if you've ever built one of those really cool model airplane things from your local craft store, you just slip the legs together, boop, bag them down. We'll put them on the round robin. Is it called the round robin? I don't remember. Sounds like a good name for it. Get the legs in the holes, get in there. Perfect fit, perfect fit. Come in here. Yeah, there we go. Look at that thing. Look at it. That's wicked cool, right? And so you have these really high-powered, rare earth magnets on the top. I forget how many there are. We can count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's either 14 or 16. I wasn't counting very intelligently. 14 or 16 spaced apart. And that is our FlyHub XL 12-inch version with a logo burnt in the top. Let's see how we do here. Now, some of these shanks, a lot of times if you make custom shank flies, oh, perfect. Perfect. Look at this. I even have room to spare. Perfect. They are spaced just enough apart that this stuff really doesn't. So that one's a little weak, not the magnet, this guy. And I had an idea for this because the shank wire, if you come in with a hook, so like this is the, what is this thing? The musky double, right? The hook is crazy strong. But of course I don't want my fly hanging upside down. And the shank wire, I don't know if it's the stainless steel or what it is. And I had mentioned this to Preston on the 8-inch, but the shanks don't have as much magnetic pull to them. And so you can see this shank wire, this is the Flyman next gen shank. It doesn't really have any pull on these magnets whatsoever. My 51 thousandths does, can hold up those beasts no problem. But I had an idea, which was to take a nail, 1-inch just wire nails, cut the pokey part off that guy, and that rare earth magnet should grab the snot out of that nail, which it does, and then you can thread that onto the post. Works. Problem solved. Thought that was interesting. Let's get the mini beast up there. Haven't showed you guys this one. I was going to turn it into a pop lip, and then I chickened out because I haven't done a pop lip in so long I didn't want to mess it up. And then this one will be interesting because this one is a Sadati Slammer tied with Ian Devlin 3D Slinky blends, and it's very heavily weighted. Oh, that's sick. So check this out. I could show up at a show with this round robin 12-inch logo engraved display piece that packs flat, has no weight to it. Man, that is slick. So again, these are from Preston McQueen, something that's totally worth checking out. Really cool thing for display, for travel, for shows, for your man cave, and even for commercial tying if you have prep work where you would need to stage tail sections. Again, you probably want to use the 8-inch if you're going to be doing commercial work. You won't need the full 12 unless you tie seriously massive flies like I do. But thanks for checking it out, guys. Get in contact with Preston. You can send him a DM on Instagram. I'll put some of his info on here so that you guys can find him. Really, really cool product that I wanted to highlight. Again, the first one was given to me, so just a small disclaimer, but this one I purchased myself because I like that first one so much. I did get a free bonus base, which was cool. Thank you, Preston. But this is just a wicked slick product. Really, really cool product. Check it out. Thanks for watching.